Hello everyone, this is the part 2 for the tutorial on Futu broker operation. First, let us start with how to set stop order. Stop order is also called stop loss. When the price hit the stop, the broker will send a market order to close our position. Stop order is very important in trading, such as scalping, day trading, or swing trade, to keep our discipline and minimize our loss. However, as an investor, I do not place any stop order. This is to avoid market manipulation, such as this and this. The market maker will knock you out and collect your stop order. This is purely manipulation, not because of your analysis and discipline. In addition, as an investor, if it dips, I will buy more instead, as long as the company fundamental is still strong. Now, let us see how to set a stop loss in Futu platform. First, click brokerage account here. Let's say I want to cut loss at $200 if Microsoft drop to this price level. Click Microsoft, then click trade at the left bottom corner. Trading platform will be shown here. First, go to the type here, select stop number 4. Beside the type, right, there is an icon here. You can just click it to read what is the information here. For example, this is all the types of the order provided by Futu, and it provides the explanation for each of these order. This is very useful. Please go and read them. Now, the trigger price. I want to set my trigger price at $200. In this case, I have one Microsoft stock, so the quantity is 1. For my case, for the time in force, I will select good till cancel. This is to ensure that as long as the price hit $200 or below, the platform will help me to send out the order and cut my loss immediately. Next, click unlock trade. We will require to key in our PIN. After key in, then click sell. Click continue. Then this will be the order details here. If everything looks good, then click confirm. Then it's done. Where to check our orders? So after you click the sell, here you can see today's order. Okay, this is our submitted order here. If I want to cancel this order, simply just click it, then click cancel. Click yes, then this order will be cancelled. Promotion running to win a free Apple share. Just open an account using the link at the description and deposit $2,700. You are eligible to receive 1 free Apple share and also 180 days of unlimited commission-free trades. Another 2 bonuses will be the free level 2 market data for US stocks and free SGX securities level 1 real-time market data. If you have any question to open the account, feel free to let me know. This is the order summary that I will place my order using Futu platform. Of course, this is only based on my preference. Please feel free to adjust it based on your preference. In summary, if I want to open or close a position, I prefer to set the time in force in day, because each day it could be volatile or get out or get down from day to day. I prefer to have a better control when I want to open or close a position. And when I open or close position, I will ensure that I will always put buy or sell limit. We should avoid to putting a market order, because if the volume is low or the spread is big enough, we may be filled in a very bad price. For the setting price target or stop loss, in principle, the time in force will be GTC. For the RTH, for the price target, I will prefer to put yes, because as long as it hit it, I can collect my profit. It does not matter. It's either pre-market or after market hours. However, for the stop loss, there are a lot of manipulation occur before and after the market. That's why to me, RTH is no. When we open Futu account, do you know that Futu broker actually offers some interesting reward for us? Let us see how to redeem it. First, at the Me page, click reward club. Here we can see the number of points we have, and this is the number of the rewards that we have redeemed. These are some of the rewards that can be redeemed, such as Lion Dance, such as the Moo Moo God of Fortune, Neck Pillow, Moo Moo Cushion, and Money Box. I have redeemed Neck Pillow. Okay, then how to get the point? You can just click more point here. After you click the more point, there are 3 types of tasks for us to gain point. The first one is daily tasks. Basically, these are the tasks that we can do every day in order to earn the point. For example, the first task is read news. Click go. Then we can read one of the news that we are interested. Click it. Okay. After we read this news, we will be able to get a point. Let's go back to the reward club here. More point. Yeah, then it will be shown as finish here. You can repeat for the other 2 then to earn the point. The next one is achievement task, the second one. Achievement task, we can only perform it once. For example, if we open Hong Kong stock account, we will get 500 points. If we open US stock account, we will get another 500 points. These are very easy to achieve. The last one is growth task. In general, each of the growth tasks consists of different type of tasks. You just complete those tasks, then you will be able to get quite a lot of points from this. Once you complete most of the achievement tasks and growth tasks, you should be able to get around 8,000 to 9,000 points. Once you have collected enough points and you want to redeem the item here, simply click the redeem button or the exchange button. It will ask you to key in your names and your mailing address. After you fill it, then they will arrange a delivery for you for free. Let's see the reward that I have redeemed. Click reward here, next below. Okay, that's all for the reward part. Thank you.